Good morning, students, on this wonderful Tuesday morning, January 12th. Here is today's lesson in the Google Classroom. We're going to do a lot of review today because we've got our big rat dissection tomorrow, most likely. If you're having any trouble with the lesson today or you missed the Zoom today, you want to click on here in Google Classroom. This is the lesson plan page. And the activities that we did today will be right here. So basically what I need you to do is watch this video and then click on the Kahoot, work on the Kahoot. I'm not worried about you getting every question right. I'm worried that you completed the Kahoot. So keep that in mind as we're going through. If you have time, you can also do the Throwdown Thursday Prep Quizlet Live. So the material we're covering today is just a review of the genetics, what we've done so far. So what we learned yesterday when it comes to genetics, you have a couple different types of genes. The combination that you get, so let's say that we're gonna do blue and brown eyes again. When you're talking about eye color, there's a couple of different combinations you can get. Those combinations are called alleles. These are your choices, if you will. The first one looks like this. We're going to use just the letter A, for argument's sake. This is called a heterozygous gene. That means you got one dominant gene, which is the capital letter, and one recessive gene, which is the lowercase letter from each parent. You're heterozygous. So you will have brown eyes if you have this gene. Usually we use B. I used A today. You will have brown eyes if you have that capital letter, but there's a chance you could pass along blue eyes to your children. Next, this letter here, because there's two lowercase, this is purebred, homozygous, recessive is how we classify this, meaning that if this is the gene for eyes, blue being the recessive gene, you will have blue eyes, and you will pass that gene to your children. So that's homozygous recessive or purebred. The third type we were talking about, if you get a dominant gene from each parent, you're homozygous, purebred, and those genes are dominant. So these are the three types. Now, this can change, depending on the trait. There's a lot more to it, but this is what we've done so far. So the Kahoot today focuses on this and also acquired and inherited traits. So you must make sure you get the Kahoot done today. You can do it in the Zoom with us, or if you're having problems with your internet, I understand. Just complete the Kahoot as soon as possible and keep me posted. Let me know when you get it done. So that was it. Pretty easy lesson for today. Tomorrow, hopefully, is the virtual rat dissection. I'm trying to get the software working the way I want. So we're hoping we can do that tomorrow, and then we'll start Punnett Squares later in the week. All right, that's it for today. Have a great day.